Today we're diving into the details of the Hewlett Packard Enterprise HP 500W Flex Slot Platinum Hot Plug Low Halogen Power Supply Kit. This power supply is an essential component for any server setup, offering high efficiency and reliable performance. It's specifically designed to meet the needs of modern data centers and enterprise environments, ensuring your servers run smoothly and efficiently. Starting with its impressive specifications, this power supply operates with an input voltage of 230 V AC and 380 V DC, providing the versatility needed for various power setups. The compact design, with dimensions of 8.9 inches in height and 2.7 inches in width, makes it a perfect fit for space-constrained server racks. The model name, Apollo, signifies its robust and cutting-edge design, in line with HP's reputation for delivering top-notch hardware solutions. One of the standout features of this power supply is its output wattage of 500 watts. This substantial power output ensures that even the most demanding servers can operate without a hitch. Additionally, the low halogen design not only makes it environmentally friendly but also aligns with modern sustainability standards, reducing harmful emissions during operation. The HP 500W Flex Slot Power Supply Kit is designed to be hot pluggable, meaning you can replace or upgrade it without shutting down your server. This feature is crucial for maintaining uptime and ensuring that your systems are always available, a critical factor for businesses that require constant connectivity and reliability. The hot plug capability also simplifies maintenance and reduces the risk of downtime during power supply replacements. Compatible with a wide range of HP servers, this power supply kit is versatile and adaptable, making it a valuable addition to any IT infrastructure. Its compact size and high efficiency rating, thanks to the Platinum certification, guarantee that it won't just save space but also reduce energy consumption, leading to lower operational costs. To sum up, the Hewlett Packard Enterprise HP 500W Flex Slot Platinum Hot Plug Low Halogen Power Supply Kit is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to enhance their server performance and reliability. With its robust power output, eco-friendly design, and hot plug capability, it stands out as a must-have for modern data centers and enterprise environments. If you're looking to upgrade your server's power supply, the HP 500W Flex Slot is undoubtedly one of the best options available on the market. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.